What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be trying to use this computer power supply to make my own sort of makeshift homemade power supply. Alright, so the first two steps here is opening up the power supply itself and sorting through this mess of cables. To open it up, I gotta dust it out now, and I'll see you guys back there then. Alright, we did a little bit of dusting off. I removed the fan, placed it aside for now, and now we just gotta take the board out and separate it from its metal housing. Alright, we have all the components separated from the case. That includes the power switch and the little jack right here that you plug the cord into. Now all we have to do is sort through this large amount of cables. Okay, so two things. One, I can't get it to turn on. For some reason, I wonder if there's some sort of switch in the computer that when you turn on the computer, it turns on the power supply. Not 100% sure. I'll try to figure that out. I also figured out down here on the circuit board, different cable colors are labeled different voltages. For example, orange is 3.3 volts, yellow is 12 volts, and of course ground is black. I'm gonna cut most of these cables off because we don't need 50 different 12 volts. We only need one 12 volt, one 3 volt, one 5 volt. I'll see you guys then. Alright, so two more things. One, I've decided we're going to screw it to this piece of MDF wrapped in cherry vinyl wood wrap. Yeah, we're gonna screw it onto here. And also I found out how to turn the power supply on. So there's this wire, this green one. It's down here. It's labeled, it literally just says on. And so when you touch on to ground, we figured out how to turn it on, we figured out what wires are what voltage, and we've taken it out of its case. We got all the voltages wired up here. I'm using this kind of like speaker wire attachment system because that's all I have on hand right now. But yeah, we got it all wired up. We got 2 ground in the middle, 3 volts, 5 volts, and over here we have 2 12 volts. Now all that's left to do is wire up the last couple things and just screw everything in place. It's just like that, we're basically finished. To prove it works, this is how you make a pretty basic homemade power supply out of a computer power supply. If you guys want any more updates on this machine, or you guys want me to do anything else to it, please comment down below. If you've made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.